That is Boulder Station Casino. Started, it's just a 1 mile up there. I have my bicycle, but then I remembered it's Wednesday and I never play poker on Wednesday. So I went grocery shopping. There's some bread, I got some cheese and stuff. So I have to tell you the story now why I don't play poker on Wednesday. Groceries. I'm just gonna unload this to refrigerator. I have some steaks and stuff, and then I'm gonna tell you that story. Spinach, you need some green stuff. I already mentioned Madison, Wisconsin, and the games we had in the Badger Poker Circle. There were 6 days, 5 locations. At one location's Badger Ball, we played Tuesday and Sunday. So the other locations were a Dry Bean Bar. That was excellent game on Monday. Crazy, crazy stuff. And Dream Lanes, and I don't know, one more that I cannot remember now. All those locations, I was positive, winning. And it's always the same group of guys. Same like 20 people, and then depends who shows up or who comes first takes the seat, because we have only one cash game. I played there starting end of 2006, and then I was regular there. I was always first one. After work, game usually starts at 7. I work till 5. I go straight to the location, have a dinner there in a bar or something, and then we play till the closing, 2 a.m. I noticed that I'm usually losing at one of locations. And I lived on the west side, so it was even longer ride for me. 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, and then one day I said I had to quit. So I decided not to play on Wednesday. I used Wednesday to sleep, normally go to bed, like 10 o'clock, not at 3 in the morning after the game. Come from work, do laundry, make dinner, go watch TV, go to bed. So I'm ready for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of poker all day long. So that was when I decided not to play on Wednesday. I moved later, 2012, to California, Palm Springs, and 2014 to Las Vegas, and you wouldn't believe, I'm positive on all weekdays but Wednesday. Okay, so check this out. So here's the database for tracking my sessions and doing reports. So here are totals all the way to the end of 2020, starting from January 1st, 2007. So these are all stats, all games I played, including online, including cash and tournaments. Everything is there. Year 2007, like I said, I start playing with that group of players in Madison every day, same crowd. And check this out. In year 2007, weekday totals. This is when I realized Wednesday is my only negative day. Wednesday. What happened next year? 2008. Okay, Wednesday. Okay, but Wednesday is always present. Always. 2009. Okay, Wednesday. 2010. Here we go, Wednesday. Oh, this is positive. 2011. Well, what you know, it's Wednesday. 2012. Look at that. Big loser. Wednesday. 2013. Wednesday. 2014. Wednesday. And I can go year by year. 2019. This is the year when I moved into RV and starting my poker tour. Let's see that. 2019. What do we have here? Wednesday. The only And do you think that 2020 was any better? No. So I don't play on Wednesday most of the time. Now here's one more interesting thing here. I have a spreadsheet. I didn't open it for like 7 years. So if you don't believe that this Wednesday shit is real, check this out. I didn't master this. So here it is. It's called reports. And I don't remember even anymore what was I doing there. As you can see, last time, modified date, last time, January 8th, 2014 at 6:40 a.m. 6:40 a.m. I don't have anything better to do than poker reports. Let's see what's in there. So here's some data you can see here from 2011, and there is some cash report. So if you look at here are locations that I played. There's 56 sessions, 266 hours. But look at this. Here's the by weekday: Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, and look at this. One is empty. What are we missing here? Wednesday. Do you know why? Yeah, because I don't play on Wednesday. So check it out. So here's the weekday, the name of that weekday. What are available weekdays? So weekday, look at this. Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, no Wednesday. And I didn't make this up. This is from 2014. I mean, 7 years ago, I was doing some report, whatever, temporary. I'm not playing on Wednesday. Yep. And now something about my channel. It looks like some of you, and it's all right, your first time on a channel, you don't know me, but looks like you think you're in charge of something here. Because on my last video, here's the comments. So there's comments as usual, and then some smart ass goes, no politics in poker. Trump is a criminal. I really don't care about Trump, but who are you? Who do you think you are to tell me what should I do in my vlog, in my videos, on my channel? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you're dealing with here? You don't like it? Don't watch. Go watch Nimi. Then I replied, I said, you're a moron, basically. And then there goes more. He goes, this moron supports your channel. Oh, really? How? Did you buy me shoes? Did you buy me a steak dinner? What did you do for me lately, moron? Come on, man. Quoting Joe Biden. Then jumps another one, some Michael. I agree. Politics out of the poker rug. Really? You decided that. Ah, you motherfuckers. Okay, all right. I'm putting a block on all you bitches. You think you can do this shit? You think you can do this to me? I'm the man up in this channel. Who the fuck do you think you're fucking with? I'm the boss. I run the shit around here. You're just visiting. Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. Unsubscribe. Go and walk away, cause I'm gonna burn this motherfucker down. King Kong ain't got shit on me. That's right. That's right. Shit. I don't fuck. I'm winning. Anyways, I'm winning any motherfucking way. I can lose here. Yeah, you can unsubscribe me, but you can't kill me. Morning coffee. It's Thursday. Well, we'll see. If I'm not lazy, I may go and have a little session with old people at Boulder Station. I'll let you know tomorrow. Well, some happy news for me. My hometown team, Red Star, the soccer team that we are all fanatics about back home, just finished the match with Italian champion Milan. It was played in Serbia, in Belgrade, and each team scored 2 goals, so it's tied.
In goes this corner kick, up go the heads, and it's dropped in! Milan Pankov with the looping header, and it's 2-2.
And they playing next week in Milano, in Italy. So the winner of that game goes in the next round. It's a European Championship. Other news we have, like in the poker world. Did anybody follow this Negreanu and Doug Polk heads-up match? When it started, a lot of people believed in that Daniel Negreanu can beat Doug Polk because he won so many millions and stuff, but I didn't. Doug Polk, you may know something about him or not, you may like him or not, but Doug Polk is GTO machine. He has GTO computer implanted in his head. It's a chip you can buy in China. In Wuhan lab, that's their side job, making GTO programmed chips for poker. It's all there. They played, I don't know how many hands, 25,000 hands or whatever they played, and at one moment Daniel Negreanu started a little comeback, but that didn't last. So Doug took him for 1.2 million. Great job from the guy who officially retired from poker and YouTube. Suddenly there's a bunch of heads-up matches coming out. We did a look at the update of Phil Galfond challenge. Well, he's beating everybody he put on a list. It's not finished. He still has to play Jungleman. New match coming out. Phil Hellmuth versus Daniel Negreanu. So Hellmuth commented something on Negreanu's play against Doug Polk. No matter how great tournament player Hellmuth is, I don't think that he's a cash game specialist like Doug Polk is. I may even predict that Negreanu can beat him. Maybe even very easy. Another match coming also, Bill Perkins playing some guy. Bill Perkins is a millionaire from Texas, businessman. He likes poker. He also played a World Poker Tour and some bigger tournaments, cashed out and won. So he's not bad. Don't take this wrong way. He's not bad at all. But is he that level? He's also playing Phil Galfond. But the challenge is, if I lose 400,000, I quit. So same thing in this match against this guy, whose name I don't know. Actually, the bet is that he's going to lose less than 9 big blinds per 100. If he loses 10 or more big blinds per 100, he lost the challenge, and then he pays. What kind of challenge is that? That okay, you're going to beat me, but not that much. Like, that doesn't make sense. So let's finish with my top 5. There's a movie, Gilda, that I'm obsessed with the movie for probably 30, 40 years. Since the moment I saw it multiple times. And I always watch YouTube clips with the music from the movie, songs. Actors in the movie are Glenn Ford and Rita Hayworth. Casablanca was made and became instantaneously big hit. Every studio wanted to make a movie like that. So they pick up their current big star, Glenn Ford. He was in westerns and in all kinds of movies. And he was really the big name at that moment. And they wanted to make it something to be similar like Casablanca. So they set the story in Argentina, where after the Second World War, a bunch of Nazis fled over there and got asylum. And they got cameras and all equipment, and they're ready to shoot, but they don't have a story. So they start shooting and just making it up as they go. There was no scenario, there was no script. Somehow they finished the movie, and you can see in the movie that the weakness of the parts that are connected, and there's no plot that keeps you. But the movie is not about story. It's just about Rita Hayworth and Glenn Ford and their relationship in the movie. Rita Hayworth was a beautiful woman, dancing from age 5 with her father, who was Spanish and also dancer. So they had some show. So on the road, all constantly. Also being abused by father, and that later led into many marriages for her, mostly with famous people. And she said that all those her husbands and other men, they fall in love with Gilda, but wake up. with her. She said that, and she's attracted to mean men. So all those her marriages were actually big bust, including one with Orson Welles, Dick Himes. Orson Welles, the one of the greatest movie directors of all times. Dick Himes, he was a band leader. Ali Khan, son of Aga Khan, some billionaires. She has a son and a daughter with him. She also turned out to alcohol, a lot of alcohol, and died with Alzheimer's, broken and unsatisfied in life. Really sad story, but beautiful woman. So in this top 5, I'm gonna give you my 5 favorite moments from Gilda. Number 5, the song she performs in the nightclub, Put the Blame on Me. Watch the clip, please. Please, there's a YouTube bunch of clips. Number 4, another song she performs in the movie, Amaro Mio. She actually was not singing, she was lip syncing, and I forgot the name of the singer that gave the voice. Number 3 is the thing that she does with her hair. And number 2 is that thing that she does with her hair. And my number 1 moment from Gilda is the moment when she, for the first time, shows up in the movie and does the thing with her hair.
Are you decent?
Me?
Well, that's for this video. So, see you in the felt. Again, no poker hands in this video. What kind of poker vlog is that?